Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the English language one word at a time. I'm Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. Our word of the day is area, a simple yet versatile noun that belongs to the A1 level. Area means a specific part of a place or field, and it's a word you'll encounter often in both everyday conversation and specialized contexts. Let's break it down. The word area is used to refer to a location or section within a larger space. For example, you might say, "This area of the park is perfect for picnics," or "The kitchen area in this house is very spacious." It's all about identifying a distinct portion of a place. Now, let's explore some synonyms for area. You could use region, as in, "This region of the country is known for its beautiful mountains." Another synonym is zone, as in, "The school has a special zone for outdoor activities." Both of these words work well when you want to describe a specific part of a space. On the other hand, let's look at a couple of antonyms. Instead of referring to a specific area, you might use the word whole to describe the entire space, like saying, "I cleaned the whole park, not just one section." Another antonym is entirety, as in, "She explored the entirety of the building, not just a small part." In everyday life, you can use area in many practical ways. For instance, you might ask, "Is there a seating area in this cafe?" Or, "Which area of the city do you live in?" It's also common in fields like science or mathematics, where you might calculate the surface area of a shape. Here are a few more examples of area in sentences. "The waiting area at the airport was very crowded." "He prefers living in a quiet area away from the city." The study focused on a specific area of environmental science. To wrap up, today we learned that area is a noun used to describe a specific part of a place or field. We explored synonyms like region and zone, as well as antonyms like whole and entirety. Thank you so much for listening and learning with me today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And here's a fun challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word area and share it as a comment. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of words.